Hey, how's it going, guys? Troy from the Amp Lab here. Figured I'd make a little video about our new RPCM clip detection add-on module. First off, though, I just want to go over what the RPCM is. This is the RPCM. It's just a tiny little module, and what this does is this kind of replaces your bass knob. So a lot of people are running aftermarket bass knobs such as Slam Pandas, or LC1s that don't use the factory RJ12 style bass knob like this. So a lot of people are switching over to like a Slam Panda that negates this. The problem is you lose your little clipping detector here that was on the factory knob. So if you have a knob like this that came with your amplifier with the power light and the clipping light already on it, and it needs to look like this, you can use the RPCM and plug it into the same port as the factory knob. Not sure if you can see that. Uses the same cable and everything, and that will allow you to use an RCA style bass knob but still keep your clip indicator. So what this has is two little LEDs that plug in here, and it will give you power and your clip light, but then allow you to use a different style knob. The only issue with that was it only worked on newer Korean-built amplifiers that were built by SNI. So that's like the SCVs, the Scar SKV2s, the newer Crescendos. There's a lot of them out there that use this style knob with the clip light and the power light. The Wolfram C series use the same style port. It's the RJ12 port, and this would work directly with that with no modification whatsoever. The problem was on older amplifiers, this would not work. So we came out with a little module that installs inside the amplifier. We have to install it because it needs to connect to high voltage rail and a couple other places on the board that aren't easily accessible to the average consumer. So we need to install it. That's the only downfall to it. You need to ship the amplifier to us. We would install it and then ship the amplifier back. So let me show you how the add-on module works on an older style amplifier. Alright, so I have this SAZ. This is actually a 2500, not Infinity. And this is an amplifier, a good example of an amplifier that would not work directly with the RPCM. So just to show you, I have the RJ12 cable connected into the factory level control port. I have that run over to an RPCM with the clip and power lights stuck up here on my O-scope. And I'm going to turn on the amplifier. And the amplifier is on. Signal's very low right now. But as you can see, no power light, no nothing. If I turn this up to clipping, very clipped right there, nothing, no lights whatsoever. As you can see, the amplifier is on. So the RPCM will not work with this style amplifier, this older SAZ style. Some amplifiers, even if they don't have the clip light, will make the power light come on, but that's it. So no clip light. So let me shut this off and I'll connect this to the module we added inside and show you how that works. Okay, so now I've connected the cord to the add-on module that we've installed inside the amplifier. So this little cable just comes out through the case and it gives you a female RJ12 connector that you can plug the knob into. And again, that's running over to the RPCM and then up to the lights on my scope. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the amplifier again this time. And you can see we have a power light. This one's a green one. And you can see we have a signal here. Now let me go ahead and turn this up to clipping. And you can see the light start going. And this is connected to a load. We have this connected to a load bank underneath the bench right now. So that's it. That's how the add-on module works. We install the module inside the amplifier, and we will send it with a kit that includes the module installation, the RJ12 cord, which is 18 feet, a little bit longer than the cords that usually come with the amplifier, and the RPCM, and then 2 LEDs of your choosing. We have white, red, blue, violet. I believe we have some orange. So yeah, pretty much green, as you can see here. So pretty much any color you want. These LEDs get installed into a panel of your choosing in your vehicle. All you do is remove this little clip. If I can get this off one-handed. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill this into your dash panel or wherever you want it, and then you feed the LED in from behind until it clicks, and that locks in the flush-mounted clip and the LED into the dash. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that cleared up some questions you guys might have had about how this whole thing works and what the RPCM is, what the add-on module is. If you're running a knob like this one with the RCA style ends on it and you want to keep your factory clip indicator, this is what you need. You need one of these and possibly the add-on module depending on what amplifier you have. If you have any questions, message us on Facebook or email us at sales@theamplab.net and we'll get you taken care of. If you'd like one of these installed in your amplifier, just send us a message and we'll get you set up with doing that. You do need to ship the amplifier into us. That's the only bad thing. We'll put the module in and send it back to you. If you're buying an amplifier on our website, there will be a checkbox added. If the RPCM works directly with that amplifier without anything else, there'll just be a checkbox to add this to it, and then it'll give you a choice of color for the LED that you want for the power and clip light. If you need the module, it's going to have a checkbox for the entire kit, which includes the add-on module that goes inside the amplifier, the installation, the cable, and then an RPCM and the 2 LEDs. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like these little things we're coming up with and building, and you want us to keep coming out with more stuff, let us know, and thanks a lot.